Well, good evening and thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Sharice Gibson. While Mayor Cantrell and her inner circle are waiting for the outcome of a federal investigation in which a contractor was recently indicted for allegedly bribing her, another case against the mayor in federal court has been allowed to proceed. Investigative reporter Mike-Perlstein has been tracking all of this. Joining me now in studio to explain. Break it down for us, Mike. What else is happening?
Well, you're exactly right, Sharice. As you recall, Cantrell was hit with a federal civil rights lawsuit filed by French Quarter resident Breaud after the mayor included confidential information about Breaud in a now dismissed protective order. The mayor filed against Breaud after she snapped photos of the mayor with her then police bodyguard, Jeffrey Vappy, as the pair sat on a balcony restaurant. Cantrell filed a motion to stop the lawsuit from going forward, but this week a judge ruled against her. In trying to derail a federal civil rights lawsuit, Mayor Cantrell openly admits that authorities are, quote, conducting a pending, ongoing, wide-ranging, active investigation against her. In fact, Cantrell is listed as Public Official 1 in last month's 25-count indictment against contractor Randy Farrell, in which he is accused of bribing the mayor. And the mayor is also referred to in the earlier indictment against her former police bodyguard, Jeffrey Vappy, who is charged with payroll fraud for allegedly spending romantic time with the mayor while getting paid by the city. Despite all of that, the mayor has not been charged with any crimes.
So on the one hand, you have the mayor saying, I haven't done anything wrong, I'm not going to be indicted, and then the other hand, she's using the potential, the federal investigation and the, potential that there's an indictment to try to slow this down.
This week, federal judge Nanette Jolivet-Brown denied the mayor's motion, allowing the civil rights lawsuit to go forward. In her suit, Breaud claims the mayor violated her privacy in a failed protective order against Breaud after she snapped two pictures of the mayor and Vappy as the pair sat on the balcony of a French Quarter restaurant.
And as part of the mayor's original filing, there was sensitive, confidential information, such as Ms. Breaud's social security number, driver's license, an expunged criminal record.
Ironically, one way for the mayor to get a stay in the federal civil rights lawsuit against her is for her to actually get indicted. In her ruling, Judge Brown writes, quote, the fact that none of the named defendants in this case have been indicted weighs heavily in favor of denying the stay. Michelle Foster, vice president of the Metropolitan Crime Commission, says all of the legal activity swirling around Cantrell puts her in a tricky legal position.
It's a very tough spot, and like you said, I do feel it appears the walls are closing in from opposite side,
Now, what this means for the mayor is that she could now be subject to discovery and a deposition by Breaud's attorney. As for the next step in this Randy Farrell case, Sharice, the status hearing that was scheduled for today was postponed, and the grand jury also in all of the cases involving the mayor, they were quiet today, so we are still waiting for what else might develop in these cases.
I have a feeling that a lot is going to develop, Mike. All right, thank you so much.
We're waiting for that.
Yeah, we are. We will have continuing coverage of the controversy. Look for the latest updates on our website, our free smartphone app, as well as our social media pages.